Do you need a good sweet appetizer recipe? Let it be these red bean sesame balls, known as jindui. It's soft, chewy, sweet, and crunchy, so I'll show you how to make it. The ingredients you will need in this recipe are glutinous rice flour, sugar, sesame seeds, and water. You will have to get your own red bean paste, or you can use your own filling. The first thing you have to do is put about half a cup of water in a pan and put in about 2 spoonfuls of flour. You're going to mix it on the stove on high heat until it becomes a thicker substance. When you're done, you're going to mix the rest of your flour and sugar together. After that, add in some water and the substance that we prepared earlier. Keep adding water until your dough is ready. You will know your dough is ready when it becomes thick as clay, so it should not be sticky at all when you're done mixing. After you have your dough, you're going to roll it into a log and cut it in half. Once you have 2 logs, you're going to roll each log an inch wide. Once you've done that, you're going to cut the dough into 1 by 1 inch squares. Now, you're going to prep your filling. If you have filling like shown in the video, you're going to cut them up into 1 by 1 centimeter squares. If not, then you can choose how much filling you want in each of your balls. Now, it's time to assemble them. The way you assemble them is to mold a hole in the dough like a cup. Then you're going to put the filling and seal the hole by pinching the dough together. After that, you're going to coat the balls with sesame seeds.
This water. Water, the water still here. Come on.
Now, you're ready to fry them. First, get the oil ready by putting the oil in a large wok or pot. After that, you're going to put the stove on high heat and wait. To tell if the oil is ready, you can wet a chopstick and stick it in the oil. If there's bubbles on the side of the chopstick, that means the oil is ready. When frying, make sure to stir the balls, making sure they fry evenly. When they're done, they should be a yellow golden brown color. Make sure to strain the oil so you don't burn your mouth or anything like that. Ai, em say to ngó. Xích lá.